Welcome to Stock Smarts. Today we're diving into a life-changing topic. Why you should retire at 40. If you've ever felt stuck in the rat race or wondered what life could look like on your own terms, this video is for you. Let's break free from the 9 to 5 grind and build a future where you control your time, your money, and your life. Early retirement isn't just a dream, it's a goal within reach. First and foremost, life is short. We often get so caught up in the daily grind that we forget how fleeting our time really is. None of us knows how long we're going to live. The uncertainty of life makes it even more crucial to seize the moment. Think about it. If you spend your best years working, saving, and hustling, but never enjoy the fruits of your labor, what's the point? The years will pass by, and you might find yourself wondering where all the time went. Early retirement gives you the chance to truly live, to make memories, and to prioritize what really matters. It's about experiencing life to the fullest while you still have the energy and health to do so. Here's something to reflect on. Money you lose, you can always earn back. Financial setbacks can be overcome with time and effort. But time, once it's gone forever. You can never reclaim lost moments or turn back the clock. Retiring early means you can reclaim your most precious resource, time. Time to do the things you love and to be with the people who matter most. Time to spend with loved ones, pursue passions, or simply relax without the constant pressure of a job hanging over you. And imagine the peace of mind that comes with that freedom. If you have kids, retiring early is one of the greatest gifts you can give them. It allows you to be there for the important moments in their lives. When they're young, they want to spend time with you, spend time with you. They cherish those moments of togetherness, but kids grow up fast, and by the time you're ready to slow down, they might have moved on. So the window of opportunity to be a constant presence in their lives is small. Early retirement allows you to be present. Watch their milestones, take them to school, or even just play in the backyard without rushing off to work. It's about being there for the little moments that make life special. Imagine having the freedom to explore new hobbies, learn new skills, or simply enjoy the quiet moments in life. The possibilities are endless. Early retirement also means more time for adventure and excitement. Traveling, experiencing new cultures, and ticking off those bucket list items. It's about living life on your own terms. Plus, you can give back to your community, volunteer, and make a difference in ways you never had time for before. It's a chance to contribute meaningfully. Ultimately, early retirement is about living a life that's rich in experiences, relationships, and fulfillment. It's about finding joy in the everyday and the extraordinary. It's about making the most of the time you have and creating a life that you truly love, a life filled with purpose, happiness, and cherished memories. If you're thinking about financial freedom and how to make it happen, check out the links below for our Stock Smarts books and online on-demand seminars. These resources are packed with insights to help you invest smarter and build a future you love. Start your journey today. Imagine waking up every day and deciding what you want to do, not what your boss or your workload demands. The freedom to choose your own path is a luxury many dream of. Retiring at 40 means freedom. It means living life on your own terms. No more 9 to 5 grind. No more endless meetings. Say goodbye to the daily stress and hello to a more relaxed lifestyle. Instead, you set the rules for how you spend your time. Whether it's pursuing hobbies or simply relaxing, the choice is yours. If you're already in your 40s and have significant assets, ask yourself, what's the drive to earn more money? Is it really necessary? If it's costing you your freedom, your time, or even your health, is it really worth it? Consider the true cost. Early retirement lets you enjoy the wealth you've already worked hard to build. You can finally reap the rewards. For those of you in your 20s or 30s, let this be your wake-up call. Start planning now. Now is the time to hustle, save, and invest as much as you can. Your future self will thank you. The sacrifices you make today, skipping that unnecessary expense or investing in assets instead of liabilities, will pay off massively when you're older. Every little bit counts. Retiring at 40 isn't just a dream, it's a choice you prepare for while you're young. It's a goal within reach. Take the story of Jane, who retired at 40. She now spends her days traveling and pursuing her passions. Her life is a testament to what's possible. Or consider Mark, who used his early retirement to start a nonprofit, giving back to the community. His impact is profound. Now, these are real life examples of how early retirement can transform your life. The possibilities are endless. Early retirement isn't just about leaving work. It's about designing a life you don't need a vacation from. It's about being present for your loved ones, exploring passions, and creating memories that last a lifetime. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, or 40s, the time to take control of your future is now. Start planning, start saving, and start believing that financial freedom is possible for you. Remember, the journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the process and stay inspired. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Start today and create the future you dream of. Now that you're inspired to pursue early retirement, let's break down a practical and actionable plan to help you achieve this ambitious goal. First, track your income, expenses, and net worth meticulously. Use budgeting apps to get a clear and detailed picture of where your money is going. This is the foundation upon which you'll build your early retirement plan. So it's crucial to be thorough. Second, identify areas where you can reduce spending without sacrificing your quality of life or happiness. This could mean dining out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday expenses like using coupons or shopping during sales. Third, look for ways to boost your earnings through various means. This could be through side hustles, freelance work, or even asking for a raise at your current job. Don't underestimate the power of negotiation. The more you earn, the more you can save and invest for your future. Next, allocate your savings into a diversified portfolio to minimize risk. Consider stocks, bonds, real estate, and index funds. Consult with a financial advisor to tailor an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and retirement goals. Also, contribute to retirement plans or other retirement accounts that offer tax advantages. Take full advantage of employer matches if available, as it's essentially free money. Moreover, invest in rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP passive income can significantly accelerate your path to financial independence. Then, embrace a lifestyle focused on experiences rather than material possessions. This not only reduces expenses, but also increases your overall happiness and satisfaction. Finally, life circumstances and financial markets change, so periodically review your plan and make necessary adjustments. Stay informed and flexible, no? Gap twos. By following these steps, you can pave your way to early retirement and the financial freedom that comes with it. Remember, the key is consistency and perseverance. Start today, and every small step will bring you closer to your goal of early retirement. Thank you for joining us on Stock Smarts. Remember, financial freedom isn't just about money. It's about time, memories, and the life you choose to live. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links below for resources to help you on your journey.